Hi everyone. In my previous videos, I have explained how to find the slope of a straight line, how to use the different formulae according to the different situations. I have explained clearly. In today's class, I'll explain how to find out the equation of a straight line. Okay, there are many formulae. In this video, I'll explain only three formulae to find the equation of a straight line. First one, slope intercept form. Already I told what is slope. I told slope is nothing, it is a steepness. I told if slope and intercept is given, how to find out the equation of a straight line. Slope we used to represent it by m. Okay, y-intercept is c. What is y-intercept? When x value is 0, the value of y is y-intercept. That is only c. So, if slope and y-intercept c are given, we have the formula y is equal to mx plus c to, it gives the equation of a straight line. Okay, next one, point slope form. That means one point is given, one line is there. See, in this diagram, I have drawn a line AP. Okay, P is a point x comma y. Coordinates of P is given. Similarly, coordinates of A is also given. Coordinates of A is x1 comma y1. Coordinates of P is x comma y. Okay, I have to find out the slope of this line AP. How to find out the slope of this line AP? First one, we should have slope. Am I right? How to find out the slope? I already told you m is equal to tan theta. See, P is x comma y, A is x1 comma y1. So, what is this distance? See, these two angles are corresponding angles because AP is a transversal. Okay, because this line AL is parallel to x-axis. Okay, so what is this opposite side is PL. Am I right? Adjacent side is AL. So PL by AL is tan theta. Opposite by adjacent. What is PL? Y minus Y1 because P is x comma Y. So PM is Y. Am I right? LM is Y1. So what is PL? Y minus Y1. Okay, similarly, AL is X minus X1 because P coordinate of P is X comma Y. So that X value minus X1. A is X1. X1 comma Y1, no? So that X coordinate is X1. So X comma X1 is AL. So tan theta is equal to Y minus Y1 by X minus X1. Okay. Now, so the required equation is, it passes, this line AP is passing through X comma Y. Okay. And X1 comma Y1. Slope is M. So formula is Y minus Y1 is equal to M into X minus X1 because M is Y minus Y1 by X minus X1. Okay. Okay. Next one, 2 points formula. What is, if 2 points are given, then A coordinates of A is x1 comma y1. Coordinates of B is x2 comma y2. The formula to find out the equation of a straight line is y minus y1 by y2 minus y1 is equal to x minus x1 by x2 minus x1. Only three formulae I have explained in this video. In my next video, how to use this formula according to the given situation, I'll explain clearly. Thank you.